Hello and welcome, guys. A good time zone. It's good to see you all again. For anyone that doesn't know me, my name is Angel. I live stream on Twitch. I'm a variety caster and I also do diamond painting. However, this is a scratch painting that I'm going to be talking about today. I'm new to scratch painting, but I wanted to give you my review on it. I've recently been affiliated with Home Craftology, and anything you buy at their store, diamond paintings, scratch drawings, cross stitch, you can get everything except for the buy one get one free at 20% off if you use code ANGEL at checkout. So remember that one. Anyway, what's in the box? They have a picture. I did get a spare one where I can draw whatever I want on it. My little color instructions. And it comes with a little pen thing. Wooden skewer, really. So you don't actually need anything else. Everything comes with it. We did, however, get the little kit that comes as well with a little brush, couple of pens. Don't really know what this is for. I did try using it. I don't actually like this because it's really hard to be accurate. The only thing I thought this may be good for is if you're doing like a big area just to sort of scrape it off. But that didn't work for me. I also did have this pen, which is really sharp, and I just pricked myself. Seems smart for the little hard to get places. However, I did found that if you put pressure on it at all, it will actually pull the color off with it. So I don't like using that. If you do use this, you need to put as little pressure as possible. I do, of course, love using my easel, and I like to see it better. So I do have a little light that I use as well. It comes with a brush, handy for brushing it off because it is going to make a mess. I don't mind this pen. So this has a texture which I assume is for like filling in boo-boos. I don't like it. It doesn't work that well for filling in boo-boos. It's just like using a texture. There's no need to buy this for the texture side. Just use a permanent marker or something. I do like this side. I do like this side. This side is for the little bits as well. Like helps if I scratch it off. It kind of scratches off just like it would a scratchy. You know, and you can just like, and then the color comes through. So yeah, if this is for the big bits, I don't know. I haven't looked up any videos. I didn't know anything about scratch painting until I got this one. I just thought it's easy just to use the back of the skewer. It does a bigger section than, you know. Anyway, the idea is you get rid of all the color and you leave the black, or you can make your own design, of course. Now, I did feel that this is a bit fat for some of the finer stuff. So I thought, you know what, I'll try a toothpick. But that's really awkward to hold. So I actually repurposed my diamond painting pen. I got pliers. This is just a cheap pen. You don't want to use these anyway. They hurt your fingers. Pulled the little gold bit out. Cut a toothpick to size. And jammed that in my diamond painting pen. And that kind of works if you don't want to buy anything else, but otherwise I definitely prefer this. So all this is the little toolkit, and the painting is from Home Craftology. I'm not sure what else I can say about it. But you know, it is quite enjoyable. It does make a bit of a mess. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I still do prefer diamond painting. This is quite enjoyable. I do have cats though, and they like to scratch things, so I don't know how long it's going to last. But as you can see, it's coming together rather well. So yeah, thank you all for tuning in. That's my little spiel. Oh yeah, they did do amazing packaging as well. Like this had like foam on it. The white bags with like the bubble wrap in it, and then like it's really, really well packaged. It is hard to though. It really depends on where in the world you live and where it's coming from. So I do have a couple of little creases. But yeah, once again, code ANGEL at checkout at Home Craftology. If you look underneath me where it says the support and discount codes, I do also have other diamond painting companies which I'm also affiliated with. And Diamond Art Club gets you 15% off with code ANGELNEAR. But yeah, click that link for all my support and discount codes and any of that jazz if you're interested. And thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Tigger's real, okay?